Tonkeeper Notcoin Withdrawal tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the tutorial of withdrawing your Notcoins from your Tonkeeper account. So the process of withdrawing your Notcoins from your Tonkeeper account is quite simple. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just simply download the Tonkeeper account into your mobile device. And once you are done downloading the Tonkeeper mobile application in your mobile device, just simply open that. And once you are there, as you can see that my Tonkeeper account is quite brand new, so that is why I don't have any money in my Tonkeeper account as of now. But if you are using your Tonkeeper account for a while now, you must have some amount of money into your Tonkeeper account. So in order to withdraw money into the Notcoins, you need to first have some amount in your Tonkeeper account. So once you have the money in your Tonkeeper account, you first need to swap the money into the Notcoin in order to withdraw them successfully. So first of all, just click on the swap option from the home screen itself. Right below the send option, just simply click on swap. And after that, under the send section, you can see that the coin has been selected as Tonkeeper. So just keep them on Ton only. And in the receive section, just simply click on select. And over here, just simply search for Notcoin. As you can see that the Notcoin is right here. Just select them, and after that, just enter the amount. Just click on enter the amount. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my Tonkeeper account, that is why I won't be able to select the enter amount option. But if you have the balance in your account, just simply click on that, and after that just simply enter the amount of the money that you would want to swap into the Notcoin. And once you are done selecting the amount and you are done swapping the money, after that you need to simply click on send, and after that you need to enter the name or the address of the person you want to withdraw or send the Notcoins to, and after that you can also add the comment right there, and after that just simply click on continue. And this way you will be able to withdraw the Notcoins quite simply. So that's how you will be able to withdraw your Notcoin from your Tonkeeper account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.